Children's Day Speech. Good morning. Number 14 is a very special day for every one of us. It's a special day for us because every one of us is special. It's Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on number 14 every year in India. Do you know why this day is so important? It's because this day marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawahirlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much and believed that they are the future of the nation. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. We are bright, talented, and wonderful children. Each one of us has the ability to achieve amazing things. Let's remember Chacha Nehru's words. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. So we should always be curious, keep asking questions, and never stop learning. As children, we should display qualities like respecting our parents and teachers, learning with enthusiasm, showing responsibility, sharing with others, helping our friends, and always trying to do your best. We are so special and we can bring happiness to everyone's life. Our smiles are like sunshine. Keep shining bright and never forget how special you are. Thank you.